Hey there, fellow keto enthusiasts. Welcome to our video. Today we're about to embark on a flavorful journey into the world of Keto Turkey Taco Salad. Let's dive into the video. Wait, before starting the Keto Cleanse video, I introduce you to Icaria Lean Belly Juice, which will help you to burn belly fat naturally in 7 days. For more details, click the link in the video description below. Ingredients: 1 lb ground turkey, 1 packet taco seasoning. Look for low-carb options. 4 cups mixed greens and half cup cherry tomatoes, halved and half or cup shredded cheddar cheese, and half cup sour cream, salsa or hot sauce, avocado slices optional. In a skillet, cook the ground turkey over medium heat until browned. Add the taco seasoning and follow the package instructions. While the turkey is cooking, assemble your salad with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, and shredded cheddar cheese. Top the salad with the cooked turkey. Add a dollop of sour cream and salsa or hot sauce if desired. Garnish with avocado slices if you like. Ready to say goodbye to stubborn belly fat. To get the Icaria Lean supplement, click the link in the video description below. Thanks for watching. To view more exciting videos like this, please hit the like button, comment us, share with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.